Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Now this first one involves someone making some type of clay-based DIY. So she's making like a bowl here. Wow, okay, that came out way better than I thought that it would. I thought that the shape was kind of unique, but that came out good. So then we have someone doing an Ikea hack with two bowls here, the little wooden bowls, gluing them together. Oh, they're adding a tray, so I wonder if they're going to be doing a table with this. Wow, okay, that's the first time I've seen this one. Oh, it's a little stool. Oh, that's cute. Clever. So the next DIY is going to feature this pillow. It looks like a cloud. Oh, okay. They made a cloud and their initial. I was like, that does not look like what they showed us at the beginning, but okay, I see the vision now. Very cool idea. Watch till the end. So we have a jar here. So I'm guessing with this one that she's making a vase. Yup. Oh, look at the gold chain down there. I love it. I need to see the DIY for that. Alright, so we're back at Ikea with some candle holders. Or are those vases? Maybe they're one of those items where you can use them for like multiple different things. Okay, so they're simply just painting these, just doing some spray painting. Yeah, these are definitely vases. They're way too big for candles at the top. Oh, that's cute. Very nice. Nice and simple project too. Nothing too complicated. Okay, we have an old plastic bottle here with the floral print. Or is that cherries? I can't tell. Looks like they might be making like a little vase or... Oh, they made a little lid to go over this. So it's like a little container. And you just put your knickknacks in there. So then we have an Ottoman style DIY. Whoa, she used pool noodles for this? Usually when I see this particular one, it's done with a tire. So this is really intriguing. Okay, I thought maybe she was gonna add some cushion to it, but I guess with the pool noodles, it would be like pretty comfortable because they're already soft. Wow, very creative idea. I cannot believe that is a pool noodle or a bunch of pool noodles underneath. That is crazy. And then we have this mirror makeover. So they want to turn this into like the tile style mirror. I like the terracotta color. That is so pretty. I didn't even know they had tiles that color. Yeah, this came out nice. Very cool idea. I love the aesthetic. Oh, it has a nice sheen to it. Very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.